Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install BigCartel for artists, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and go to the BigCartel website. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the home page. You will see different plans available. Choose the plan that best suits your needs. Complete the sign up form with your email address, password, and store name. Make sure to read and agree to the terms of service. Click on Create My Store to proceed. After creating your store, you will receive a confirmation email. Access your email and confirm your account by clicking on the link provided. Return to the BigCartel website and log in using your credentials. Once logged in, you will be directed to the admin dashboard. Here, you can customize your store's appearance. Click on Design to select a theme for your store. Browse through the available themes and choose one that resonates with your style. After selecting a theme, click Save to apply it to your store. Next, navigate to the Products section in the dashboard. Click on Add a Product to start listing your artwork. Fill out the product details including title, description, price, and images. Make sure to upload high-quality images that showcase your work effectively. You can also set inventory limits if applicable. Once all details are filled out, click Save Product. To manage your store settings, go to the Settings tab in the dashboard. Here, you can update your store name, address, and payment options. Connect a payment method by selecting from available options like PayPal or credit cards. Review all your settings to ensure everything is correct. When you're satisfied with your setup, click on the Launch button to make your store live. Congratulations, your BigCartel store is now ready for customers to browse and shop. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.